I searched how to buy shares of Elevra Lithium Ltd to show the exact steps. Elevra is a lithium exploration and mining company listed on CBOE AUS under the ticker ELV.ASX. This is an educational walkthrough and not financial advice, and investing carries risk. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and I will use eToro as a neutral example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with a photo ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker ELV.ASX to find the correct listing quickly. Check that the result shows Elevra Lithium Ltd on CBOE AUS before opening the page. On the stock page, review the company profile and the price chart to confirm you have the right asset. Make sure the display shows ELV.ASX and the exchange CBOE AUS before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, select the amount you want to trade, then review the order details and confirm the instruction. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session. And if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before final confirmation. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. Soft CTA. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to follow the same steps shown here.